Welcome to Wonderland Weekly, hosted by Toronto Ty. Now sit back and have a wonderful week.
Hey everyone, Toronto Ty, back here at Canada's Wonderland once again for another amazing day. I am so very excited because I am here with my sister and brother-in-law today, and we got started in Splashworks, which is always good when there are not very long lines, and once the lines started up, then we just headed right out of there. But yes, today is also the second day of Celebration Canada. I am very sad that I missed out on watching the Canada Day fireworks yesterday, but such is life. Yes, if you missed it, then yes, I will most likely not be seeing very many of the fireworks in the future, but I hope to still see some of them every now and again. But yes, starting off, we've got Lazy Bear Lodge here, which is coming along very well. We have a balcony with railings now. So that is the extent of the balcony level. And it's I definitely had hoped that it would be a little larger, but it's fine. Definitely going to be very crowded on fireworks nights, but there will be plenty of other space to watch the fireworks from, and probably better spots, but that's neither here nor there. Yes, super exciting. I'm going to check out some of the food, fun, games, and I think I maybe will get to see Major Mac once again. Woohoo! It's, always good to see him here at the park. By the sound on the train, or lack thereof, then seems like Yukon Striker is recovering from a little bit of downtime. But that's not why I'm filming here. Of course, I am here to check out Lazy Bear Lodge. Yes, it is looking very nice. I absolutely love how the dormers are coming along. They look fantastic. Look at that. These little houses, as I did call them. But I am glad to know the proper name for them now. Not too many other updates from this angle, especially since there is a truck in the way. Boo! But that's okay, because they are working as hard as they possibly can, I'm sure, to get this open for us as fast as they possibly can. And yes, we all want that to happen, so looking forward to seeing this when it does open. Just a slightly different angle here to really get a good look at the railings for the balcony. I am a little sad that is the extent of it, but it's okay. Because it does look very nice, and we'll definitely have a great view from on there. And we will, of course, have a lower patio. Not sure how large that will be, but it is going to be absolutely fantastic. And these walls, I think, will have these boards put on them very soon. So progress is continuing, and it is looking absolutely amazing. Quick note here by Cookie Cafe. They have put up pick up and order here signs, and they do seem to really be leaning into the Alpen style, so I really appreciate that. I think that is a great decision. Over here, then we do have Lazy Bear Lodge. And they have been continuing along with these stone pillars. Those are looking very good. Really getting up there. Not sure how... I feel like they will probably have these ones done by next week. Still lots of additional work to do here on Lazy Bear Lodge. Over here at one of my favorite spots for views in the entire park, aside from the building that is now here, with the presumed employee only area back here. I have no idea what these things are. my best guess is that they are some sort of like storage containers, chamber things for like, I don't know, for the natural gas, for the fireplaces, or yeah, I don't know, maybe some sort of like garbage things, or maybe like for the wood, because it's supposed to be a wood-fired grill, right? Yep, really not sure, but they look very, very strange and definitely a very interesting development here. Over here on my usual spot on the Timberwolf Falls exit ramp, just getting a look at, got 3 containers there, chambers, I don't know what to call them, whatever they are. But yeah, no, those are, yeah, very mystifying to me, so let me know your thoughts on what they might be. Also, yeah, fancy new railing put in place, it looks good. Yeah, still, I don't know. I think it makes sense. I'm sure it does make sense that that is as far out as the balcony goes. You don't really want to have the lower patio be, you know, under a roof, under another seating area, I guess. But yeah, also down on the lower level, you can look inside and see, looks like there are some actual full walls inside the building on that lower level. So that is excellent progress to see. I am so excited. We are getting so close to Lazy Bear Lodge opening. Still a lot, a lot that needs to be done. But yeah, we are so very close, and yeah, it is very, very exciting. And Celebration Canada is doing a little bit of teasing here. So yeah, let's I guess head right on over to there. All right, here we are at Celebration Canada. I am so excited to be checking out all the food and activities that the park has going on this year. I really, really love this event. Hey, look at that. We got a marching band drumming around. All kinds of fun here. Over here by Yukon Striker's vertical loop, we have one of the entrances to what I have seen referred to as Festival Square, which I really, really love. But yeah, this week it is Celebration Canada, and this will be here until July 17th, I believe. And yeah, so that is very, very cool. Gives me a chance to show off some of the stuff and then have you see it and be like, oh yeah, I definitely want to make it to that. Yes, yes, July 1st to the 17th. Cool. So yes, all kinds of awesome, awesome, awesome food. I will have more details on that in a little bit. We got some cornhole games that anyone can just come and enjoy. We have, yes, more food. Always good with the food. We have a Caesar bar here, which is very, very cool. Yeah, good to see some Canadian representation there. And yeah, some Canada flags on the post here. And right here, then we have kid-friendly axe throwing. This looks absolutely amazing. I love it. This is fantastic. Yeah, really, really cool to see that. We got the giant red chair, or the Muskoka chair, of course. Don't you dare call it an Adirondack chair. And yeah, overall, we've got a lot of, you know, we've got some excellent, excellent music here, livening up the plaza. So that is good to see. Looks like they've got, yeah, quite a few different shows, performers here, including the West Coast Lumberjack Show. Always amazing to see them. But yeah, I am going to grab some food and yeah, just enjoy the event here, and I will show off some highlights. I can't get over how amazing this kid-friendly axe throwing is. It looks adorable. I love it. And adults are also having fun with it. But yeah, no, this is fantastic. very interesting activity here on the Frontier Canada Trail, as I like to call it, the path in front of Splashworks. Yeah, there are some markings that have appeared, and I don't know what to make of them. There was recently some very, very big news in the amusement industry, which is that California's Great America, a fellow Cedar Fair park, is closing within the next 11 years, but probably sooner. Who knows? But yeah, now we have these markings here. So there's a number 6 here. It's just right by the plot of land that I think would be perfect for the return of like Great Whale of China or something. And you know what else might fit here? Bayern Kurve. And so yes, there's the number 7 right there. And yeah, Bayern Kurve, there is a Bayern Kurve at California's Great America. So, is it going to be coming here? I don't know. But I think that that would be very, very nice. Yeah, so numbers 6 through 9. I didn't see any others, but you know, there surely is 1 to 5 somewhere, right? But yeah, don't know what to make of it. But maybe this land actually will be getting something soon. So I just got out of the Tundra show, and yeah, it is really, really good. I love that it is back. I didn't realize how much I missed it until I got to experience it again today, and yeah, no, it is so very, very good. Yeah, very, very cool to enjoy that show once again. And yeah, be sure to check it out. It is so much fun. But yeah, now I'm gonna go check out some other stuff. Woo! Alright everyone, it is getting toward the end of the video, and you all know what that means. It is time for trivia time! Yes, so for this week's trivia time, I want you to let me know in the comments below. Whitewater Canyon here, it opened in 1984 at Canada's Wonderland. It was the first ride that opened outside of opening day attractions. So yeah, that is a fun little factoid for you. But what I am curious about is how many other Cedar Fair parks currently have an Intamin River Rapids ride. If you can let me know that in the comments below, I will give you a shout out in my next video. No shout outs for last week's trivia. The correct answer was a set of batting cages and boat tag, both of which were added alongside the Pro Putt back in 1993. But yeah, both were removed in 1998 to make way for the Fly, before Pro Putt was removed at the end of 2016 to make way for Soaring Timbers. So yes, fun facts all around. But yes, how many other Cedar Fair parks have an Intamin River Rapids ride? They are so much fun, and I think that every park should have one. But not every Cedar Fair park does have one. Well, that'll about do it for this week here at Canada's Wonderland. It was another absolutely amazing day. Probably didn't share quite as much as I usually do. But that is because, you know, spending time with the family means that my time does get a little divided. Definitely when I am here with the family, I want to be able to actually spend time with the family. But yes, got to spend some time in Splashworks, which was really, really awesome. Yeah, and also got to check out the progress on Lazy Bear Lodge. The railings are in place on the balcony, and those mysterious chambers, really, I don't know what to make of them, but maybe you do, and if you do, let me know. But yes, other than that, I've got to check out some of the shows. Yeah, I don't have clips from them during the first show. Then, well, it was Tundra, and I didn't want to film because they do have a policy against filming the entirety of the show, and anyway, it's a little bit of a headache for me to deal with that. But then also Ultimate Thrill Circus, I was eating some of the fantastic food from Celebration Canada. Oh my goodness, love that event. And yeah, some very, very tasty treats. There's still so much more that I want to try and that I will be getting next week. And yeah, if you have not had the chance yet, please do come out and enjoy enjoy Celebration Canada, because I really think that it is just absolutely amazing. It has so many delicious treats and also really good entrees. So yeah, come on out and do enjoy that. But yeah, that'll about do it. Until next time, as always, have a good one.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.